Let's talk today about what it is to be an HOA manager. Some of the things you want to know. Perhaps you're exploring this as a career path. Perhaps you've been offered to be a community association manager. And you're looking for a resource to what is it that I'm getting into? If you are considering a change of career path, let's talk about why you might want to consider being an HOA manager. What kind of personality traits do you have? Are you outgoing? Are you organized? Do you like to see projects through the end? Do you like the thought of becoming a business professional? Well, one of the things that I think is really highlighted in this career is right now, there's no licensing requirement. So you don't have to be a licensed manager to be able to manage community associations. And there's not necessarily a requirement to have a college education to be able to onboard in this particular career. And the upward momentum of what it is that you will experience as a community association manager will broaden your horizons exponentially, which we'll get into here in a minute. But I think that the income potential over time is something that is very attractive for somebody who is looking for a change but doesn't know where to go. So many community association management companies are often looking for people like you, somebody who is talented, is ready to be a self-starter, doesn't need a whole lot of hand-holding. That one's going to be very important. And somebody who is organized enough and communicative enough to be able to help a community and their board manage the business of their association. And it really is that simple. You will be assigned a community, they're a business, and you help them make sure that they organize that business. They get the lawn cut, they have their insurance, if a homeowner has an issue, they'll give you a call, you'll help them figure out how to resolve it. And if you're very personal and the first thing that you want to do is help people resolve a problem without being combative, this may be a really good career choice for you. And many companies, just like ours, are happy to have you come in, start shadowing people, understand the terminology, the language, how to walk the walk and talk the talk. And then when you're ready, you start taking on communities. Once you start becoming a manager, the upward momentum usually goes parabolic pretty quick. And the people who stay in management past 2 years are usually in management for a long career, and it is very rewarding in so many different ways. So if you're interested in becoming a community association manager, and if you'd like to work for ACCU, reach out to us. And give me a call. My line here is 303-733-1121, and I look forward to the opportunity to talk with you and possibly work with you. So until next time, thank you so much.